My name is Umesh Wankade. I am a old student of this AD sir, speaking class 11, and right now I am a government servant. I am doing my job in MSRTC as a junior mechanic. So when I was joining this class, that time I was totally poor by the English. But right now, then I understood one thing, that why can't students speak in English every day? Because they don't have a basic knowledge of this English. And if you don't have a basic knowledge of English, then you cannot speak in English. It means you will not be able to speak in English. But right now, I want to tell you one thing. If you join this class and get some basic knowledge from this class, so then you will be able to speak in English every day and will be practice for your future and to get in fluency in English. But some people and some students think that if we don't have a basic knowledge of the English, then we will be able to speak in English. But this is a wrong thing. First of all, we should be understand one thing. Whenever you decided your goal, then you will be succeed. But if you didn't decide your goal, then you cannot get it means achieve your goal. What is the reason? First of all, I am willing to tell you one thing. If you don't have a friend circle of English, and also you don't have any coaching classes for join this speaking language, sorry, if you don't have any circumstances of the English, but you can speak in English, but you will have to firstly take the basic of English, and then you will be go up the second stage to speak in English. It means you will be perfect in English. So for that you will have to do one thing. First of all, take the basic, and then take the advanced level English, and this types of English you will be get in Google. Some applications are there. Okay, let me show you this application. Then you will be perfectly able to identify how to speak. I will right now I show you one demo class right now, how to speak in English with other people, and how I am able to speak in English right now, and what is the reason behind it. I joined the AD sir speaking English class Telangana and get some knowledge of English. It means the basic, and then I am right now able to speak in English. So let me show you this application. Come here. Just 2 minutes, guys. I am showing you. This is a S Fluence. Are you looking? This is a S Fluence. Now I click on this application, and these types of surface you will see. Then I touch to the call and practice now, and access to the application. Then I join to the online server, and then I will speak. Okay. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Can you hear me? Sorry guys, right now there is something network problem, so that's why I'm not able to speak in English with foreigner people. So that's why I am not able to show you right now. So these types of application you can use, but after taking the basic knowledge of English, right? So this is my personal view and this is my personal opinion, because I am right now sustaining these things. So you should be follow the rules and also follow the things, because wherever we want to go anywhere, and wherever we want to see some things, but we will not be able to get these things, because there are so many types of differences there. So this is my personal opinion, and thank you very much guys. You hear me and I recommended to you one thing. This class is very good and better for our future and also our educational life. So like this video, share and subscribe also. Thank you very much, guys.